hunting club. And my hunting club used to be a whole bunch of different properties. And they bought them over time to make one big piece of land. But there's a lot of old home sites scattered throughout the whole property. And I found this one right here behind me about 2 weeks ago. I come back today to do a little scouting. I figured, you know, why not do a little video on exploring this old homestead right here? It's got some pretty cool stuff, and at least cool to me. And maybe somebody else out there thinks it's pretty cool too. So I'm gonna show you guys, do a little video on this old house. There's a bunch of them on this property, like I said. And if y'all like it, let me know. I'll do some more. I like exploring old stuff like this. Anytime I run across one of these houses, I check it out. It's always some cool stuff littered all the way around these houses and sometimes on the inside. Anyways, let's go check it out. What's this thing? Anybody know what this is? Let me know in the comments. Looks like some kind of door handle. It's got a gear on this side. I don't think it's supposed to go right here. Somebody just hung it there. Pretty cool old ceramic ware. I actually found a bowl smaller than this and a little teapot. It had a red trim on it. I gave both of those to my girlfriend. I thought they were pretty cool. Well, that's pretty cool. Old liquor bottle. Canadian. Oh, got a little something in it. I think I'll pass. I'm taking a swig of it. It's a cool bottle though. Still got the cap, plastic cap. Cap doesn't say anything. You always gotta be careful going around these old homesteads because almost all of them had a well. I'm not sure that's what this is, but it's got a little fence around it. Very well could be the well. Old mirror to a car. There's a couple hoods. There's another ceramic pot. Oh, the blue one. This one's seen better days. This one had black trim. What is this? That's kind of cool. Whatever it is. Not sure what once it goes to that. Don't look like it. I don't know what that is either. This old hood, old Chevrolet. That hood's seen better days. Usually these old homesteads will have a spot where they threw their trash out, and it's always some cool stuff in there, old bottles and cans and stuff. This one has one right over here. I found some pretty cool bottles the other day. I nabbed one of them and gave to Natalie. Go over here and check it out. Show you guys what's in it. There's other car hood. I don't know what that is. What is it? A little trash pile, I suppose. Pressing oil. Little crush bottle. That's another, looks like that same one that was inside the house. Like a maybe dish soap bottle. Oh, tab bottle. It's just no Pepsi bottle. Here's a pretty cool one. Old Coke bottle. It's embossed with Coke instead of having a painted or printed label. Wonder how old that is. Jolly Pop. I've never heard of that before. Root beer. That's pretty cool. Some kind of bottle. No idea. The old Clorox bottle. It's got a handle on it. That's pretty cool. I actually found one of these at another homestead here and put it on eBay and sold it. I don't remember how much I got for it. There's some kind of liquor bottle. Anybody know what that is? Got a 7 on it. Is it Seagram's? Maybe. Got a plastic cap. It's a pretty cool bottle. So it got a part of the metal lid. Like that might have been a little adult drink too. Maybe. Hope none of this glass go through my foot. That wouldn't be a good time. This one's got a Coke top on it. It doesn't say Coke anywhere on it. I don't know if Coke actually came in it or not. There's no telling what's all buried in all this stuff that you can't see. I think these little bottles like this are cool. There's some kind of funky bottle. It says something on it. Noxzema. Well, I guess that's what that was. Here's another cool little bottle. It's still got the little dabby thing in there. Some kind of medicine maybe, or nail polish remover. I don't know. Ow, ow, ow. Sawbriar got a little too close. Here's an old Pepsi bottle that's embossed. That's pretty cool. This bottle's got a whole ecosystem growing in it. Alright, that's about it. There ain't no telling what's around here. You'd think it'd be cool to get a metal detector, but there's so much tin and pieces of metal laying around, it'd probably go bonkers the whole time. You couldn't really find nothing worth the crap. But it's all kinds of little treasures laying around. I always try to find cool stuff when I walk in the woods, and you can almost guarantee when you find one of these old homesteads, you'll find something cool. Anyways, I hope you guys like this little tour of this old homestead. Like I said, I think stuff like this is just cool. No telling how many stories this old house could tell. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you on the next one.